the dangerous drugs for a decade, for more than 10 years, and you may believe that you may realize na walang nangyari. But I tell you, every day, every activity that the Dangerous Drugs Board conducts, sa tingin ko lang, kahit isang tao lang, we could touch one soul. Kahit anong kadami ng activity natin, just one soul. We have no intention of saving this country. It's impossible. But if we could just save and touch the lives of one or two persons every day, that would be good enough. Kaya I urge everybody that we will shout from within our hearts. Alam mo yung sigaw natin? Hindi mo kantika na ano? Sabi na sigaw natin. Ito sa anak ko yung dati. Ano mo yun? Iba yun eh. Meron ko. Alam mo sa to sila ito ba? Hindi. Kailangan mag-lonely kayo. Kaya